So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Croma Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. In the remote you can see the start-stop button. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, take it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the speed of the fan is in auto. Right now the speed of the fan is in low. Right now the speed of the fan is in medium. Right now the speed of the fan is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then you can set the speed of the fan to high. The next button after that is mode. There are 5 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Right now the mode is in cool. Right now the mode is in dry. Right now the mode is in fan. Right now the mode is in heating. Right now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the mode in detail in very simple words. AC remote in cool mode, all the buttons will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in rainy season and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. The AC will not cool in fan mode, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button is Eco, Clean. To turn on Eco mode, simply press the Eco button once. The Eco mode of Croma Inverter Air Conditioner reduces power consumption by using less energy. This mode automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It also helps in increasing the life of the AC by reducing the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. Use Eco mode when the outside temperature is not too high. Using this mode reduces power consumption and results in lower electricity bills. Benefits of Eco mode. It uses less compressor capacity than normal mode. It automatically adjusts the fan speed and temperature. It reduces the wear and tear on the compressor and other components. Then press and hold the Eco CL button for 3 seconds to select clean mode. Then the clean function will turn on. Whenever the unit is turned off from the remote, the blower will continue to run on low speed for 5 minutes to dry the indoor unit cooling coils and squeeze out the moisture completely before stopping. The blower will turn off after 5 minutes. You can use this function to dry the cooling coils. The next button after that is sleep. Sleep mode automatically adjusts the room temperature to make it more comfortable. To turn on sleep mode, press the sleep button until sleep appears on the display. The sleep mode on Croma Air Conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode raises the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period of time. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC settings. This mode creates a calm, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, the swing of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing will start working automatically. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is display. By pressing the display button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. This button can be used only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next function is convertible. With the help of the convertible button present on the Croma Inverter AC, you can adjust the air conditioner cooling according to your need. This can help you save electricity bills and make the AC more efficient. With the help of the convertible button, you can increase or decrease the capacity of the AC. For example, you can increase the capacity to 1.5 tons on hot days when the room is crowded. On mild days, you can decrease the capacity to 1 ton. The convert function of the Croma Inverter AC means that the AC can adjust its cooling capacity to different levels, which is not the case with normal ACs. For example, if you are in a small room, you can run the AC at a lower capacity. This helps the AC use less electricity and reduce costs. C1 to 40%, designed for personal comfort with low energy consumption, which saves energy when you are alone in your home. C2 to 60%, designed for maximum energy efficiency, which uses less power and saves energy. C3 to 80%, designed for consistent and comfortable temperature, making your whole day enjoyable. C4 to 100%, standard cooling mode, which is used under normal conditions. C5, designed for fast cooling, which cools the room quickly during a party or other occasions. You can use C1 for mild days, C2 for moderate cooling needs, C3 for hot days, and C4 when you need to cool the room quickly. After that, the next button is turbo. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases a lot. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. After that, the next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the time of timer off is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we have to first set the time in timer off. In the timer you can set the time from 1 hour to 12 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 5 hours. So now I will set 5 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. Now I have added the time of timer off in the remote. Now by pressing the timer button, once the timer will be set. With this button you can set the timer off only. If you want to cancel the timer, then press the start stop button of the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.